Hello Nexon EV lovers, very happy to start this series of videos where we present to you different people experiencing the AHA Nexcruise system. So today this video captures Mr. Rakesh's experience on the AHA Nexcruise system, the very first version that's installed in my own car. 2 weeks back I met Rakesh. He was traveling to Jaipur and I met him and he just expressed his wish to drive the Nexcruise, experience it, and I insisted that I am going to take a video and capture the very first reactions from him. So he agreed and this video is a result of the same. Rakesh works at Gurgaon and he is employed with IBM and he holds 17 years of experience in the IT industry. But before we play this video of him, let me remind you, starting tomorrow, the 31st of July, all the people who filled the early adopter forms are going to receive an email from us morning 10 AM 31st of July. Stay tuned. Here's the video.
कंट्रोल ट्राई करें
बिल्कुल कीजिए जी,
अभी
शुरू कर दीजिए।
30 की स्पीड पे है
हाँ
एंड आई हैव लेफ्ट इट
हाँ
ओह माय गॉड नो रीजन नो ये 25 पे क्रूज कंट्रोल चल रहा है, कमाल है यार। वाओ, दिस इज ऑसम। सो इट विल स्विच ऑफ एज सून एज आई विल प्रेस एक्सेलरेटर, राइट?
either accelerator or brake or whatever you like.
Okay. So this is accelerator and it got switched off. Wow, awesome. So I tried at 25. Let me try around 40. So wow, I can see generally we feel regenerative braking as soon as we leave accelerator, right? But this is awesome now. Oh my god. Great, Akash. Great.
Thank you. ये मजा आ गया. So
Wow.
राकेश जी पहले वो व्यक्ति हैं जो जिन्होंने मेरे बाद में क्रूज कंट्रोल को इस गाड़ी पे टेस्ट किया है.
Wow, this
और-
is awesome. Awesome,
तो
man. I
चलो।
don't know how is it working, but it is working.
चलो जी, मेहनत सफल हो गई सर, मजा आ गया.
I have
थैंक
to
यू.
take a break, and
ब्रेक पे यहाँ क्रूज कंट्रोल.
cruise control is switched off automatically, which is good. Wow, awesome. So now we are heading towards highway, and we'll try some higher speeds.
हाँ,
Okay,
इसको यहाँ
so
पर आप ऊपर चढ़ा
I
दीजिए.
have just tried leaving the accelerator and region is working as usual because
usual.
cruise control is not engaged yet. So let's go on highway, put
Yeah.
it to a speed of let's say 60 and then cruise control on, and I have left. Wow, I can feel that there is a little bit kick when we press the cruise control button and then it is maintaining the speed. So we are going over the flyover, so the first bar of the energy consumption is there. Okay, and I think probably when we'll go down so now we have started going down and the energy bar is 0 literally. Oh my god, good.
And now this
Good.
system will control region
Mm-hmm.
to maintain the speed of 60 at downhill.
Oh wow, no reason kicking in.
No region.
Little bit it is coming somewhere because we are going downstairs,
Yes.
down the slope.
Correct.
So it's going the higher speed and then it is reason is kicking in order to control the speed. Wow.
Yeah.
Great.
So if the cruise control was not there, then region would have brought the speed lower,
yeah.
than 60.
And it is completely maintained at 60 kmph even in the while climbing up the this bridge and going down the bridge also. It's maintaining this speed. Wow, awesome, man. Awesome. So I'm going now next level.
Yeah.
So 60 and I'll go to let's say 80 and this cruise control is switched off, and now at 80 I have switched on the cruise control and it is maintaining. Wow, great. आकाश जी कैसे किया है यार ये, मतलब this is awesome. That's what we have been discussing since day one. मजा आ गया यार.
थैंक यू अजी. बस हो गया.
This is awesome.
ये कष्ट था, मतलब अपना सब अब हम सभी फेस कर रहे थे कि यार.
Yes. नहीं यार, गजब है यार. I cannot even leave the cruise control even for a 100 meter stretch. Wow. No leg on the accelerator. Awesome. So it maintains the speed. It does not maintain the power. So based on the requirement, it brings up the power or goes down. This power meter goes down.
Exactly. So to maintain the speed, the system controls the power and the region. In both plus and minus directions, it is controlling the power.
Yep. I had to brake. So as soon as I applied brake, the region has kicked in. Wow. Awesome, Akashi. That's a great feeling. This is what we wanted. So I don't know if it is simple or complicated, but this is working flawlessly. So is it kind of plug and play, or some customization needs to be done?
Okay, so it is 100% plug and play.
Oh, that is awesome. So
it is 100% modular. There is not a single wire or signal that we need to cut or probe to to add this system. It is basically like an add-on block on top of the whole.
So I have in my car, like the insurance provider provided me a OBD plug for tracking car GPS. It's equivalent to car GPS.
Yes.
So
yes.
Is it like it is pluggable in some ready-made port or some?
Exactly. So although I will share this properly in the next video, but
okay.
This is OBD port. It is one place where it is plugging in, where it is getting the car's current details like the speed and the power consumption.
Okay.
All of that.
So it's not OBD as such, right? Or is it OBD?
OBD is one part of the whole solution.
OBD plus then.
OBD plus an add-on. So yeah, OBD is also a standard port. Even for plugging in OBD, we are not voiding any warranty or doing anything that should not be done with the car.
Wow.
Because it is mandatory
So can I reset this trip?
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Please reset A.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm resetting this trip to 0, and cruise control is currently set at 40 kilometers per hour.
Okay,
so cruise control is on 40 kilometers. Power graph is almost null. This is, if it is maintained at this place, this will go more than 300 kilometers for sure.
So that is the idea when we are planning to go to Kota. Because Kota is 280 on map, and as per the car's error, it adds 5% it counts, so it will go 300 plus.
Right.
So let us see if it actually reaches.
Perfect, man. I think you will be able to make it for sure. Wow. So it has gone half a kilometer on the cruise control, and the tripometer has shown 52-53 AH. Wow.
Okay.
Our big pain in the leg is gone by this, Mr. Akash. Great job. So we'll take a break here. Okay, I had to brake at a red light. So we'll take a turn.
Yeah, we can go
The other
on
side.
the highway itself,
Okay.
not the service road.
So again, I am missing the cruise control. I am going 70 and then setting up at 70. Awesome. No regeneration. Wow. So my leg is not there on the accelerator. Perfect. आकाश जी, ये तो धूम मचा देगा आपका प्रोडक्ट.
धन्यवाद सर. देखते हैं अपना क्या. अब मेन बात है कि अपनी एक रियल प्रॉब्लम थी,
बिल्कुल,
जो कि मतलब अपने ग्रुप में ही सॉल्व हुई है. मुझे सबसे अच्छी ये बात लग रही है.
awesome. Means I am 100% sure a lot of people are not going to believe that this is actually there now.
अब सर ये तो अब हमारे हाथ में जो है वो हम कर सकते हैं. बाकी धीरे धीरे जैसे और यूजर्स इसको यूज करेंगे, then slowly that problem will also be solved hopefully.
Right. And now even we can generate the statistics, right? That okay, at 40, what is the watt hour my car is going to take with AC or without AC. Then at 60, we can actually automated this process, right?
Exactly. So the ambiguity or the variations
Yeah.
are
So at
now
least
not there.
our speed of pressing accelerator and all that will not be there anymore. It's perfect.
Exactly.
So it's going in cruise control at 70 and the AC is at 26. Perfect. Great, Agassi. So I was waiting to try this one the day you announced. So
No, it's incidental. It's a.
so I have to break it now. We are on the red light. So as soon as I applied brakes, region switched off. Perfect. Good. Thank you, Agassi.
थैंक्स राकेश जी इसकी पहली टेस्ट ड्राइव लेने के लिए और इसको वेरीफाई करने के लिए.
Wow. I'm
Okay.
so happy.
सी यू लेटर.